There are 4 habits that everybody has in their morning routines that are helping them be more productive every single day. Jeff Bezos, Tim Cook, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Mark Cuban, and many more are doing these every single morning. And they say that these are some of the most important activities from their morning routines. As I said, there are 4 habits that can be found in almost every billionaire's morning routine. These are very easy to implement, and I will be presenting you how and why you should do these. Waking up early is a crucial habit for many billionaires, as it sets the tone for a productive and focused day. By rising before dawn, they can maximize their most precious resource, time. Early mornings provide a quiet, distraction-free environment that allows for strategic planning, deep work, and personal development activities such as exercise, meditation, and reading, which I will talk about. This head start enables them to address critical tasks and make important decisions before the hustle and bustle of the day begins. Additionally, the discipline and consistency of an early wake-up routine reflect and reinforce the values of commitment and hard work, which are essential traits in achieving and maintaining success at the highest levels. For example, the CEO of Apple, Tim Cook, wakes up at 3:45 a.m. every day to start his day early and maximize productivity. This may be pretty hard for somebody that is not used to waking up early, but you can start easier by just waking up half an hour earlier for at least a week and see how you will be feeling. Exercising in the morning is a fundamental part of many billionaires' routines, playing a crucial role in enhancing their productivity and overall well-being. This practice offers a myriad of benefits that directly contribute to their ability to perform at peak levels. Firstly, morning exercise significantly boosts energy levels and enhances mental clarity. Physical activity stimulates blood flow and increases oxygen supply to the brain, which sharpens cognitive functions and improves focus and concentration. This heightened mental state allows billionaires to start their day with a clear mind and a sense of purpose, ready to tackle complex problems and make strategic decisions. Moreover, regular morning exercise is essential for maintaining optimal physical health. It helps in managing weight, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease, and improving cardiovascular health. For individuals with demanding schedules and high-stress roles, maintaining physical health is paramount, as it ensures they have the stamina and resilience to handle their responsibilities effectively. Additionally, exercise releases endorphins, the body's natural mood enhancers, which help alleviate stress and improve emotional well-being. This is particularly important for billionaires who often face immense pressure and high stakes in their professional lives. Incorporating meditation into their morning routine is a powerful practice for many billionaires, offering profound benefits that enhance their personal and professional lives. Meditation provides a foundation of mental clarity and emotional stability, which is essential for navigating the high-stakes and often chaotic world of business leadership. By starting the day with meditation, billionaires can center themselves, reducing stress and anxiety and fostering a calm and focused mind. This practice allows them to approach their daily challenges with a clear, composed, and strategic mindset, enabling more effective decision-making and problem-solving. Meditation also significantly enhances concentration and creativity. By quieting the mind and eliminating distractions, meditation helps to improve focus and cognitive function, allowing billionaires to delve deeply into their work without being sidetracked by the myriad of demands on their attention. This heightened state of awareness and presence is crucial for maintaining productivity and driving innovation. Integrating reading into their morning routine is a pivotal practice for many billionaires, providing them with a wealth of benefits that fuel their personal and professional growth. Starting the day with reading allows them to gain new knowledge, insights, and perspectives, which are essential for making informed decisions and staying ahead in their industries. Whether it's delving into the latest business strategies, exploring cutting-edge technologies, or absorbing timeless wisdom from classic literature, reading equips billionaires with the intellectual tools they need to innovate and lead effectively. Reading in the morning also enhances cognitive function and mental acuity. Engaging with complex text stimulates the brain, improving concentration, analytical thinking, and problem-solving abilities. This mental workout is crucial for billionaires, who must constantly navigate intricate business landscapes and tackle multifaceted challenges. These are the most common activities that billionaires do in the morning. Everybody can do it if they are strong enough. Please subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and you can also watch this video if you want some more advices about how you can get better every single day. Have a productive day.